Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be absolutely insane. We're about to blow your minds with the top 10 must-know facts that they don't teach you in school. We're talking about stuff so crazy, so unbelievable. You'll be hitting that share button and subscribing faster than you can say, mind blown. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Alright guys, buckle up because fact number 1 is a real doozy. This is one of those facts that will make you question everything you thought you knew about our planet. You've heard it your whole life, the Earth is round, right? From the time we were kids we've been shown pictures of a perfectly round globe, and it's been drilled into our heads that our planet is a sphere. Well, get this, it's not actually a perfect sphere. That's right, the Earth is not a flawless ball floating in space. Yeah, you heard me right. It's more like a slightly squashed ball, a bit chubbier around the equator thanks to the centrifugal force created by its spin. This force causes the equator to bulge out slightly, making the Earth an oblate spheroid. We're talking a difference of about 43 kilometers between the Earth's diameter at the equator and the diameter between the North and South poles. To put that into perspective, that's roughly the distance of a marathon. I know, mind-blowing, right? It's like finding out your whole life has been a lie. But don't worry, this doesn't change much about how we live our daily lives. It's just a fascinating tidbit that shows how complex and interesting our planet really is. But hey, that's what makes these facts so awesome. We're always learning something new. The more we explore and study, the more we uncover about the world we live in. So next time you look at a globe, remember that it's not a perfect sphere, but an oblate spheroid. And who knows what other surprises our planet has in store for us. Scientists have been studying the shape of the Earth for centuries, and with the advent of modern technology, we've been able to get even more precise measurements. Satellites orbiting the Earth provide us with detailed data, allowing us to understand the true shape of our planet better than ever before. In ancient times, people had various theories about the shape of the Earth. Some believed it was flat, while others thought it was a perfect sphere. It wasn't until the age of exploration and advancements in navigation that we began to understand the true nature of our planet's shape. Today, we have incredibly accurate models of the Earth that take into account its oblate shape. These models are used in everything from navigation systems to climate studies, helping us to better understand and interact with our world. The knowledge of Earth's true shape is crucial for many aspects of modern life. GPS systems, for example, rely on precise measurements of the Earth's shape to provide accurate location data. Pilots and sailors also use this information to navigate safely and efficiently. So the next time you're in a classroom and see a globe, remember that it's not just a simple sphere. It's a representation of a much more complex and fascinating shape. And who knows, maybe one day you'll discover a new fact about our planet that will blow everyone's minds. Sharing these kinds of facts can spark interesting conversations and inspire curiosity. It's amazing how a simple piece of information can change our perspective and make us appreciate the world in a whole new way. So, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning. The Earth is full of wonders, and there's always something new to discover. Whether it's the shape of our planet or the mysteries of the universe, the journey of knowledge never ends. And remember, the more we learn about our planet, the more we realize how interconnected everything is. The shape of the Earth affects everything from our weather patterns to our navigation systems. It's a reminder of how intricate and beautifully designed our world is. As we continue to explore space and learn more about other planets, understanding the shape and nature of our own planet becomes even more important. It helps us to compare and contrast, to see what makes Earth unique, and to appreciate the delicate balance that allows life to thrive here. So let's take a moment to appreciate our amazing planet. It's not just a place we live, it's a complex, dynamic system that supports life in countless ways. And the more we learn about it, the more we can protect and cherish it for future generations. Thanks for joining me on this journey of discovery. Stay curious, stay informed, and never stop exploring. Until next time, keep looking up and marveling at the wonders of our incredible planet. Fact number 2 is all about you, or more specifically, your tongue. We all know about fingerprints, right? Totally unique to each and every one of us. But did you know your tongue print is also one of a kind? That's right. The pattern of ridges and grooves on your tongue is totally unique to you. It's like a secret code, hidden in plain sight. Imagine the possibilities. Maybe someday we'll be unlocking our phones with our tongues instead of our fingers. Hey, crazier things have happened. Chapter 3. Fact number 3. There's a planet made of diamonds. Get ready to have your minds blown again because fact number 3 is straight out of a sci-fi movie. Imagine a world where the ground beneath your feet isn't made of rock or soil, but of pure, sparkling diamond. Sounds like something out of a fantasy novel, right? Well, hold on to your seats because this is as real as it gets. Picture a planet, twice the size of Earth, shimmering with the brilliance of countless diamonds. This isn't just a figment of someone's imagination, it's a celestial body that actually exists in the vast expanse of our universe. This dazzling planet is known as 55 Cancri E. Sounds crazy, right? But it's true. The idea of a planet made entirely of diamond might seem like a wild fantasy, but thanks to the wonders of modern astronomy, we know that such a place exists. This blinged-out planet, known as 55 Cancri E, orbits a star called 55 Cancri, located about 40 light-years away from us in the constellation Cancer. To put that into perspective, if you were to travel at the speed of light, it would still take you 40 years to reach this glittering gem of a planet. Scientists estimate that if we could somehow get our hands on this diamond planet, it would be worth a mind-boggling 26.9 nonillion. That's a 26 with 30 zeros after it. Talk about the mother lode. But how did this planet come to be? What cosmic events led to the formation of such an extraordinary world? The story of 55 Cancri E begins with its parent star, 55 Cancri. This star is similar to our own sun, but the conditions in its planetary system are vastly different. Scientists believe that 55 Cancri E was once a gas giant, much like Jupiter or Saturn. However, over time it lost its outer layers of gas, leaving behind a dense, carbon-rich core. Under immense pressure and heat, this core transformed into a planet made largely of diamond. The extreme conditions on 55 Cancri E are unlike anything we experience on Earth. The surface temperature of this planet can reach up to 4,800 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt most metals. This intense heat, combined with the high pressure, causes carbon to crystallize into diamond, creating a planet that sparkles like a jewel in the night sky. While the idea of mining a planet made of diamond is tantalizing, the reality is far more complex. The technology required to travel to 55 Cancri E and extract its resources is currently beyond our reach. However, the discovery of this planet opens up exciting possibilities for the future of space exploration and resource acquisition. The existence of 55 Cancri E challenges our understanding of planetary formation and the diversity of worlds in our universe. It serves as a reminder that the cosmos is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Who knows what other incredible planets are out there just waiting for us to find them? So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that out there among the stars lies a planet made of diamonds. It's a testament to the boundless creativity of the universe and a symbol of the endless possibilities that await us in the cosmos. Keep dreaming, keep exploring, and who knows what other amazing facts we'll uncover next. Chapter 4. Fact number 4. You can't fold a piece of paper more than 7 times. This is one of those quirky facts that sounds simple but is surprisingly complex when you dive into it. Alright, this next fact is one you can try at home, but trust me, you won't be able to break this record. It's a fun challenge that has puzzled many for years. Legend has it that you can't fold a single piece of paper in half more than 7 times. This isn't just a myth, it's a fascinating interplay of physics and material properties. Go ahead, grab a piece of paper and try it yourself. Any standard sheet will do, whether it's printer paper, notebook paper, or even a piece of newspaper. See? It gets harder and harder with each fold, and eventually, it becomes physically impossible to make another crease. The paper resists your efforts, almost as if it's fighting back. It all comes down to exponential growth. This concept is key to understanding why the paper becomes unmanageable after a few folds. Every time you fold the paper, its thickness doubles, and the surface area decreases exponentially. This means that with each fold, the paper becomes twice as thick and half as wide. After a few folds, you're left with a thick, tiny square that's nearly impossible to bend any further. The paper's thickness increases so rapidly that it soon becomes unmanageable. This phenomenon has intrigued people for centuries. In fact, there have been numerous attempts to break this 7-fold barrier, but most have ended in frustration. Some have tried using larger sheets of paper, thinking that a bigger surface area might help. Others have experimented with thinner paper, hoping it would be more pliable. But the result is almost always the same. The key issue is the exponential increase in thickness. After just a few folds, the paper becomes so thick that it can't be folded any further without tearing or breaking. Mathematically, this can be explained by the exponential growth formula. If you start with a paper that's 0.1 millimeters thick, after 7 folds it would be 12.8 millimeters thick. That's over 100 times thicker than the original sheet. Even with a large sheet of paper, the same principle applies. The paper's thickness increases so quickly that it soon becomes impossible to fold. Some have even tried using machines to fold the paper, like hydraulic presses. While these machines can apply more force, they still can't overcome the exponential increase in thickness. So, the next time you hear someone say you can't fold a piece of paper more than 7 times, you'll know why. It's a fascinating example of how simple actions can lead to complex results. Share this fun fact with your friends and family, and watch their amazement as they try it themselves. It's a great way to spark curiosity and interest in the wonders of everyday physics. And there you have it. Fact number 4, you can't fold a piece of paper more than 7 times. A simple yet intriguing challenge that combines physics, mathematics, and a bit of fun. Give it a try and see how far you can get. But remember, the laws of physics are not easily broken. Stay tuned for more amazing facts in our next chapter. Chapter 5. Fact number 5. We spend a year on the toilet. Okay, this last fact might make you squirm a little, but hey, it's all in the name of knowledge, right? Get ready for this. On average, a person spends about a year of their life sitting on the toilet. Yeah, you heard that right. A whole year. Think about it. All those bathroom breaks, scrolling through your phone, catching up on some reading, it all adds up. So next time you're sitting there, just remember, you're contributing to a universal truth. We all spend an absurd amount of time on the porcelain throne. Outro, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can be just as amazed as you are. See you in the next video.